Everybody's talking about GPT Image 2.0 right now, but for print on demand, hype means nothing if the design doesn't actually look like a shirt people would buy. So in this video, I put GPT Image 2.0 head-to-head against Nano Banana 2 using the exact same prompts inside Kittl to find out which model really creates better print-on-demand ready merch. Not just which one makes the prettiest image, but which one gives you the stronger t-shirt design when you look at layout, text, color, readability, and actual sellability. So here's what we are going to do. Same prompts, multiple outputs from each model, and then we will judge them like real print-on-demand designs. By the end, I'll tell you which model wins overall and which one I would actually use depending on the style. So let's jump in. I used Kittl for this challenge because it makes this kind of test incredibly practical. I can work with multiple AI models in one place, generate lots of design options fast, lay everything out on an infinite canvas for side-by-side comparison, and even share the whole project with a link if I want someone else to review it. For a challenge like this, that workflow matters just as much as the models themselves. You will find the link in the description that will take you directly to Kittl. You can open a new project and you will be faced with a similar interface. Here you can see that all the models are available. The new ChatGPT Image 2 model is now available on Kittl. And there is also the Image 2 high definition, but we're going to use the standard one for this challenge. You can also pick some styles using the Style tab. There are many styles available on the platform, and each style has a recommended model to use with this style. Like this one here, the t-shirt graphics has the 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗗𝗘 quality, and here are some styles that are recommended to be used with the ChatGPT Image 2. However, for this challenge, we are not going to use any styles but leave the output on the non-styled format. So simply press on the text icon on the left side, add a headline or add a paragraph to add a text to your infinite canvas. Now we have everything ready. Let's start by placing our first prompt inside the generation box. So our first prompt is a retro vintage design with the text wild and free. Again, all the prompts will be accessible via the link in the description. Let's change the aspect ratio to 3:4 and the generations to 3 generations per model. And the first one is the ChatGPT Image 2 model. And once you press on the generate button, you get to see the generations and the countdown. So we're going to move them here. And let's change the model to Nano Banana 2 and press on generate. As simple as that. 3 generations as well. And we are going to place them under the Nano Banana 2 model. And here are the results for both models. Let's zoom in a little bit. Both models did well for this first prompt. The graphics are good with the Nano Banana 2 model, the color combination, the fonts and the text. This one is really good. I like the graphics and the font style. So the 3 images for the Nano Banana looks really good, but instantly you can see the difference. The slogan readability here for the ChatGPT is better, bigger font, and it reads faster on a t-shirt for sure. So both did well. The graphics are great for both designs, but you can instantly see that the GPT reads faster on a t-shirt with bigger fonts and better layout. And if you click on any of the designs on the right side, you will see the prompt that was used and the model. So this one here is the Nano Banana, and if we click on this one here, you can see that this is the ChatGPT Image 2 model. Now for our second prompt, we are going to use a kawaii cartoon style of a cat wearing chief's hat, and we're going to start with the Nano Banana 2 model and then again changing to the GPT Image 2 model and press on the generate button. Again, you can select all the generations and move them simultaneously to place them on the infinite canvas. And here are the results of the Nano Banana 2 model. Very cute graphics, nice color combination, and the font is also good, bubbly font. So the Nano Banana 2 model results for this prompt are really good. And here are the results for the ChatGPT model. Also great graphics, but this time it's very obvious that the typography and the color combination are much better. You can see that there are even decorative items or icons added to the graphics and added to the font. It made even the font or the typography with different color combination. So for this second prompt, both did really great, but the ChatGPT Image 2 slightly cleaner layout and more polished, cute character presentation. I still prefer the GPT as it feels more commercially finished for this second prompt. Now for the third prompt, this one is 𝗗𝗏𝗧 style prompt, detailed skull, bold shades with Gothic font. Again, 3 generations, and I'm starting this time with the GPT Image 2 model. And here are the results. The Image 2 model for this prompt really excels. Great graphics, great font style, and combination of all the design layout. Really nice vector style design. Really fits t-shirt and very bold typography. You can see that the Gothic font is really nice on the design. And let's generate the ones for the image for the Nano Banana 2. And here are the results. You can instantly see that the composition is not great. The graphics are not perfect. Also, the typography, font or typeface used is not perfectly matched with the design. And even the colors are not strong enough compared to the other model. So there is a better balance between the skull art and the black letter slogan on the Image 2.0 model. So even the typography for this style is great, and you can clearly see the difference for this prompt. The ChatGPT Image 2 really excels with this type of prompt. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is a grumpy coffee t-shirt style, vector style that has supposedly with strong graphics and clean retro bubble font. So the Nano Banana results are really good, very cute and clean graphics of the grumpy coffee, and also the font is really good, bubbly font, and the composition of the overall design is really good with the Nano Banana 2. And here are the results of the ChatGPT. Also very good graphic and very good font composition with the graphic and different variations of the fonts layout. So both did really good for this prompt. So the Nano has more retro charm, but the GPT looks cleaner and more consistent as a sellable T for this one. So I still prefer the GPT Image 2 model for this specific prompt, but to be honest, both results are really great. So moving on, for the next prompt, I'm going to start with the Nano Banana 2 first. It's also a retro design, but more with vibrant colors, synth wave style for the Spaceman. So this prompt is a little bit challenging because of the color combination. And here are the results for the Nano Banana. Great results and great graphics. Also the font used and the neon style is nice, but this is actually a problem for print on demand to have neon colors. It's not good for printing on a t-shirt, but the overall layout and composition is really great. So the results are good. The font size also is perfect. The graphics here, there is obviously a problem with the legs here. This design is also great. And now for the ChatGPT results. For print on demand, this is really perfect. These designs communicate faster because of the size and the layout of the graphics, and also the colors are not that vibrant or not that bright, which is best for t-shirts. And there is not much, or the designs are not that crowded. So the Nano Banana is more intricate for this design, but the GPT Image 2.0 communicates faster, and the slogan lands harder when it comes to this specific design. These designs, you can easily remove their background and use them directly, but for the Nano Banana ones, it will be a little bit difficult because of the complex background and the neon colors. Now moving on, the next prompt is about a powerful bold eagle vector core style, starting with the Nano Banana and then with the GPT Image 2.0. We have the first 3 outputs. You can clearly see that the composition is not perfect. The background is larger than the main graphic in some of the cases, although the eagle looks nice. Also the colors are not great with the design. but the Image 2.0 model has much better results when it comes to the typography, the font that was used, the decoration of the elements or adding the graphics to the design, and cleaner art deco, better text separation. So this is really premium print-on-demand output here that we get from the ChatGPT Image 2.0 model. Even the font has an outline, so I like these results much better, and even the color combination is better compared to the Nano Banana 2. Now, our next prompt is a graffiti style prompt. We're going to start with the Nano Banana 2 and then the ChatGPT or the GPT Image 2.0. So here are the results. Very crowded graffiti, very difficult to use on a t-shirt because of the mix of the elements on the background. Also, the colors are a little bit distorted, but for the GPT Image 2.0, completely different. Great typography, colors, better slogan punch, and stronger aggressive energy. Fits much better on t-shirt, and for print on demand, you can easily remove the black from the background, even with the splash effect, and the style of the typography used is great. So here the color combination is very poor, and definitely you will find it difficult to remove the background and place this one on a t-shirt. Also, the colors are vivid for the ChatGPT Image 2.0 compared to this one. So ChatGPT Image 2.0 is a clear winner when it comes to the graffiti style prompt. Again, let's add the prompt beside the design. Now for the next one, it's a floral design, elegant graphics. Same like before, 3 generations each. So here are the Nano Banana results. The graphics are perfect. Also the font is really good with this style of designs, and also the results of the ChatGPT Image 2.0 are also good. I might prefer the Nano Banana 2 for this style. I think the graphics are better with the Nano Banana 2, but the chosen font layout and composition is maybe a little bit better using the GPT. So the spacing and for the GPT is better, more polished, but the Nano Banana is pretty. So both did great with this prompt. Moving on, the next prompt is a cosmic eye design, psychedelic style. This one is going to be challenging because of the color combination and the composition. Let's see what's gonna happen. So here are the results of the Nano Banana 2. Good results. Also the font is nice and the graphics are really good. But here, this one here, it has a mixed graphics that is not really clear. But in overall, this one is okay. And here you can clearly see the difference when it comes to the GPT Image 2.0. Very eye-catching graphics and typography. Clear graphics compared to the other one. The eye is very visible. The graphics fits better for merge, not crowded. Maybe the only thing is the fading colors would be a little bit difficult to handle or to convert to vector. But the color combination also is better with the ChatGPT Image 2.0. So this one, the Image 2.0 did better. And for our final prompt, we're going to use this Phoenix Rising from Flames Art Deco style design with gold and black colors. Also has some geometric details, and we're going to start with the Nano Banana and then the ChatGPT. Again, can keep generating even when you wait for the results to be ready. And here are the results of the Nano Banana 2 model. The designs are great, the font is perfect, but the colors do not have enough contrast. You can see that they are a little bit pale, but the graphics used are great. And for the GPT, I think it did a perfect job. These designs would print better because they don't have these crowded elements. Also, the color richness is clearly visible. They have enough contrast and there is no frame around the design. So for print on demand, the text size for this one feels better. The contrast is better for printing. And the graphics also feels like merge instead of raw AI art. So the GPT Image 2.0 wins also for this one. However, the Nano Banana 2 still is an excellent model. So I would say that the Nano Banana 2 does best when the design can benefit from decorative complexity, psychedelic art, and the GPT Image 2.0 does best when the design needs to function like real merch branding. So after going through all these prompts, my final decision is, if the goal is to make designs for print on demand that are more likely to work as actual products, I'm choosing GPT Image 2.0. It was more consistent, more readable, and more polished across the full test. The Nano Banana 2 is still excellent, and in some cases it gave more visually exciting artwork. But if I had to trust one model for print-on-demand ready results, GPT Image 2.0 takes the win. So that was it. I'll leave a link in the description that will take you directly to Kittl. You can access it for free, and you can also access the project with all the prompts and the designs via the link below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.